Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at Chemslea. And this property is beautiful. You're beset on every side by the surrounding woodland, and it's a very, very rare location on Radfield Road to be able to find a property. Not much becomes available up here. You're really in the middle of the woods, in between Chestfield and Canterbury. So a beautiful, beautiful setting, woodland walks on your doorstep, and the plot that the property sits on is so very generous. You'll see, of course, on the front here you have extensive off-road parking, and it's just so practical. So if you've always looked for that really lovely little hideaway in the woods, this is going to be perfect for you. The property itself is a 2 double-bedroom detached bungalow, so it's all on the ground floor, the living with this property, and again it's presented just beautifully. And we'll have a good chance to go through, look at the property itself, and go through into the back garden and take a look at the amazing setting there as well. So we've come straight through and into the first of the 2 bedrooms, and of course you can see that wonderful bay window there at the front, just letting all of that natural light through from the front. And it's a nice point to note that you're very well set back from the road here, and I mean the road itself is not a busy one at all, so you're set really far back, so it gives you that nice private setting here. And you can see you've got that nice clean and contemporary and sleek modern finish with this property as well. You would anticipate that a property in the middle of the woods would have a more of a country style to it, but this offers a nice clean and modern option for you, and there is genuinely nothing to do here whatsoever. It is ready to go and has been finished beautifully. So come through to the second of the 2 double bedrooms, and again you can see all of that fitted wardrobe space there. Again, another wonderful bay window there at the front, and even more fitted storage. So it's just a wonderful, really practical space here that's just been decorated absolutely beautifully. So we'll go upstairs. Of course, this property does have some converted loft space up here, and you could use it for whatever you'd like it to be. Of course, at the moment it's currently laid out as a bit more living space, but if you needed an at-home study, this would be the perfect space for it. You can see there you've got all of the integrated eaves storage, so there's obviously no problems with storage up here. And you've got that lovely velux window just letting all of that natural light through, the one on the left and the one on the right there. So it's a really nice use of the space up here, and it's a very practical area for you to work from home in, or to have just a little bit more reception space. So we've come back downstairs now, and we'll take a look at the ground floor shower room, and you can see you've got that nice glass shower unit there, really nice with the rainfall shower head. Really lovely, clean and contemporary finish in here. So again, you can see there's genuinely nothing to do. It's ready for you to move straight into, but a really nice sized shower room this, located on the ground level. Of course, it's just behind one of the other bedrooms, and of course you've got that nice big window there letting all of that natural light flood through. So what we'll do now is we'll go through and take a look at this wonderful open kitchen and living space at the back of the property. Now, for me, this is just a wonderful integration of all of the space, and you're taking full advantage of the rear garden space and all of the views of the surrounding woodland from this point in the property. It's lovely. You can see you've got the lovely doors there at the back just opening up onto your big back garden, and the kitchen area is nice and clean and modern and integrates really well with this living space. You can easily separate the living accommodation at the back here as a dining space, living room space, and as a kitchen area. It's done really, really well. A lot of thought has gone into creating this space here. So of course we're in the little dining area here, you can see, with the dual aspect doors leading onto the back garden, and we'll pan round and take a quick look through to the back garden. You can see it's just a lovely, lovely space. Of course, the kitchen, we'll go back to that, is just immaculately finished, and you've got a full host of integrated appliances there as well. So you've got that really nice, clean yet cozy feeling with this living space. Now, not only do you have the shower room on the ground level of the property, but you've also got a very, very nice modern and contemporary style bathroom. Now, the bathroom is located just off of the utility room, so it's a nice little separate space. Of course, if you've taken the dogs out for a walk and in the woods and you need to bring them back, give them a bit of a wash off, the utility space and this little bathroom here at the back. Great use of that space if you'd like to, but of course serves as a fantastic family bathroom as well. So we're going to go through now and take a look at that really, really nice sized utility space in just a few moments. So here we are. You can see you've got the really, really nice openness to the rear garden. You've got that lovely big open window and that big glass door there as well. So really, really nice space. You've got plenty of space here for the washing machine and for other appliances. Of course, there's plenty of space there for a fridge as well. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go through and take a look at the back garden. So here we are now in the rear garden, and it's nice just to have that little view of the back of the bungalow there, just to see exactly how much space you've got just at the back. So with this property, not only do you have that really extensive off-road parking at the front, but you've got the gated vehicle access at the side, as well as a double garage, which is just such a huge bonus. You've got plenty of storage here for several vehicles, and if you want a little bit of secure vehicle storage, you've certainly got that here as well. Of course, you've got the workshop, the timber workshop in this garden as well, and the log cabin too. So you've got really everything fitted for every occasion with this property. And just because it's surrounded by that woodland, you can see there, it's just beautiful. It's enclosed, it's peaceful, it's quiet. It's just a very, very nice space that you can relax in. And it's westerly facing this rear garden, so you're going to get that sun all afternoon, just breaking through the leaves of the trees there. It's just absolutely beautiful. So I'd really ask that you give us a call at Kent Estate Agency so you can find out a little bit more about this gem in the woodland, as I like to call it. It's just wonderful. So yeah, please do give us a call at Kent Estate Agencies to find out a little bit more.